guys, we are up at Karl's trying out his, was it 13-hour
Oh, something like that.
smoked brisket. Look at that.
It was all right. It wasn't as tender as it could have been, but you know.
Karl's too hard on himself.
I'm hard on myself, but you know, that pulls apart.
Beautiful. There he is. There's the man.
You look good. Stay to me, man. Stay to me.
Okay, so flip the camera around. So yep, we showed you Karl's brisket there. We're also trying your barrel beer, Grant, the 14%.
Yeah, it's oak added to the beer as opposed to beer added to the oak. And it's friggin' phenomenal. It's really
smooth as
it's like oily as, super sticky.
You see you're picking up heaps of chocolate, eh?
Heaps of chocolate and heaps of berries.
Yeah, dark berries, eh? Dark fruit.
Berries.
But that's delicious. If that's a test brew, I'd be more than happy with that.
It's dangerously good, Grant. Bloody hell.
Got Ben on the other side of the camera who's enjoying it as well, but he's happy to stay out of the limelight.
Fairly sweet finish on it.
It is, eh?
It's
like raisin as well. Getting like raisins.
It's setting up for a dessert, I think. Thanks to Dino's missus, the mighty Sharon.
Thank you, Grant. That's delicious beer.
That's superb, Grant.
That's probably as good as any that I've tried from yourself.
And yeah, very few people have probably got to try this. It's phenomenal.
Yep. You have to be a special kind of person to try it.
Cheers.
Okay, cheers guys. Cheers, Grant.
Thanks, Grant.
Okay.